assist you in exiting the building.
Do not touch me.
Let's go. Come on.
Do not touch me.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm not leaving.
Let's go.
This is like the fifth time you put your hands on me or pushed me or
Get
bumped
away from
into me.
Back up.
You walked into me. You backed the fuck up.
Back up.
Fuck you.
Back up.
Fuck you, little piggy bitch.
Back up.
Fuck you. Get out of my face. Quit
Back
walking
up.
up on me and quit pushing me.
Back up.
We're doing it now, buddy.
No, you ain't. You're all going.
I have a smart mouth and I'm not.
After you start, yes.
No, that's not how it works. We can both be smart with each other, right? 100%. You're right. Because when you hired on to be a cop, you said you would be professional and courteous at all times.
Imagine walking down the street, minding your own business, when suddenly, a police officer demands your ID. You know your rights, but the moment you refuse, things escalate. Handcuffs, intimidation, and a questionable arrest. In today's story, we examine a shocking encounter where officers pushed the boundaries of their authority, raising concerns about abuse of power and constitutional violations. What happens when law enforcement ignores the law? And more importantly, how should you respond in situations like this? Stay tuned as we break it all down.
You're the one talking to me. Maybe you shouldn't talk to me, and maybe I wouldn't record
but why
you.
are you recording me?
Shh.
Or why are you recording the library? Hi.
Bye.
Okay, but what is your problem, dude?
What's yours?
I mean, what are you doing all this for?
Why do you need to know?
Because I would think it's against the law.
You can think that all you want.
Okay, so why are you recording me?
Look, Piggy Pig right over there.
Who is it?
Piggy Pig.
But why is he got to be that?
There's a Piggy Pig over there because he put his hands on me for not breaking the law. And he's getting a complaint against him. Mr. Piggy Pig is. Yeah. And, thanks. Bye.
Well, you're breaking the law.
No, I'm not.
I would think so.
You can think all you want.
Well, here comes the police on you.
Ooh, there he goes. There he goes. There you go. Bye.
I'm not. I mean, you shouldn't be recording people.
I can record everything I want.
You really shouldn't be.
I can.
That's against the law.
No, it's not. Learn the law. Oh, look, here. Someone showed up. Are you going to deal with this?
I guess we'll see.
Yeah? You're going to try and trespass me?
Back away from me.
Don't touch me.
Away
Do
from
not
me.
touch
you
me.
You are in my personal
You
space.
this is the second time in 2 days that you assaulted
are in
me.
my personal space.
Look, this
Officer,
is that
he is in my personal space.
former
I'm not
captain,
comfortable.
retired captain.
6
Stop touching me.
6
Stop
feet.
touching me. You are Mr. Touchy-feely. This is the second time in 2 days that you've touched me.
He violated our procedure. He recorded
this is what he
sensitive
did.
information after being told to cease. He did not. After talking with the law department this morning.
I filmed from a public space. This guy yammers and yammers like a former captain from Akron Police Department.
He can't.
Yeah.
He's trespassing.
And this is
He
the guy
cannot
that
come
stomped
in.
on my
If he
foot
doesn't leave,
and messed up 3 of my
there's a 12
metatarsals.
on it. If he doesn't leave, he can be arrested.
I mean, yeah, she works here. She banned him. If he goes inside, we'll arrest him.
Okay.
Nope. What's your name, badge number?
Officer Hughes.
You're going to arrest me if I go inside?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You're going to arrest me for going into a public space. You just opened yourself up for a lawsuit. Yeah, you better get a sergeant, and you stand down.
You
Stay
need
away
to
from
move
me.
that camera out of my
Nope.
face. You have to leave the building.
No.
Let's go.
Yes,
Outside.
yes.
Nope. Stop touching me.
Outside.
Stop touching me.
Outside, or I will assist you in exiting the building.
Do not touch me.
Let's go. Come on.
Do not touch me.
outside.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm not leaving.
Let's go.
Do not.
You are
Let's go.
trespassing. You are trespassing. You've been warned. You are get that out of
Come
my
on.
face.
Let's go.
Keep touching
Outside.
me. Look at you assholes.
Outside.
Piece of
Are you going to
asshole.
edit that out too, like you did yesterday?
Keep
Huh?
keep
You gonna edit
approaching
that
me.
out?
Keep approaching me. You're a
You going to edit that out?
no. You're
That
a
won't be
total
on-
and I'm gonna put it on your LinkedIn channel.
Yay.
Yeah,
What do you want me to
you're touching me.
get out of my face? You're banned. Go home.
Go back inside.
somewhere else.
I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm not banned. You can't ban me from a public space.
Yes, we can. It's
Nope.
a limited public forum.
Nope.
Do your law school research. It's a limited public
You
forum.
aren't
You
getting
violated
your way,
our policy.
asshole.
Keep talking.
Look at this stupid pig. This old retired pig. I smell bacon on you.
Keep your language to a minimal.
What
You're in a
you-
public place. Do you want to be
I am
arrested
in
for
a public
disorderly?
place. What are you, a cop?
Nope, I'm not.
Yeah.
But I do understand
that
what's
means
going on.
you don't
You're
have-
blocking the egress for these folks. You need to step over here.
Don't touch me.
Step over here.
Don't
Get
touch
out of the
me.
doorway.
Do not
Get
block
out
the
of the doorway.
Stop pushing me.
Get out of the doorway.
They made it in, look.
Right, because you get your hands
You-
away from me.
Touch me. Man,
And
you've
what?
got problems.
I have problems?
Yeah.
You got your goddamn
Quit touching
camera in
me.
my face.
You're both going to get into issues because
Okay.
you already f***ed up my foot.
Okay. It was an
Yeah.
accident. I apologize.
No, it
What
wasn't.
more do you want?
You stomped on my foot right as I
Okay.
told you I don't have to listen to your garbage.
You
And I
edit
don't.
all that out too?
I don't have to listen to
Okay.
you. I didn't edit anything out. I don't
Really?
edit
I didn't hear
anything.
your language yesterday that you swore in the library and I told you to cease.
You
right?
didn't see the whole video, asshole.
You didn't post the whole video.
It's-
And then there
that's
again, you're
because
using
it goes,
foul language.
It goes live tonight at 6:30.
I'm so excited for you.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at this tyrant. This former
Mm-hmm.
tyrant.
Okay.
Pigs in a blanket. Look how close they are.
You have
Both
all the
of
room
them.
in the world if you want to go.
Both of them put their
You have-
hands on
Look
me.
at all the room you have to
There's one
go.
Sidewalk.
Yeah.
I can go wherever I want.
Not inside this building.
I'm
And
going to go right here.
this band counts
Quit
for-
pushing me.
This band is for
I'm
all
going to
buildings
every
in
goddamn.
Summit. This band is for all of Summit County.
Go in the building.
I'm not going in the building.
You're on the property.
Get off the property.
No.
You're on the property.
No.
Come on. Yo.
Off the property.
Bite a dick. Actually, eat a bag of dicks. Yeah, eat a bag of dicks. Stop following me. Why are you running into me? This is like the 5th fucking time you put your hands on me or pushed me or
Get away
bumped
from
into me.
Back up.
You walked into me. You backed the fuck up.
Back up.
Fuck you.
Back up.
Fuck you, little piggy bitch.
Back up.
Fuck you. Get out of my face. Quit
Back
walking
up.
up on me and quit pushing me.
Back up.
We're doing it now, buddy.
No, you ain't. You're all going. This guy assaulted me 3 times. He assaulted me. Pick up my phone.
Turn your hand in.
You guys are getting it.
This case is a powerful reminder that knowing your rights is only half the battle. You must also know how to assert them. The Fourth and First Amendments protect you from unlawful searches and seizures, and in most cases, you are not required to show ID unless officers have reasonable suspicion of a crime. Yet, time and time again, we see law enforcement overstep these boundaries, hoping that citizens will comply out of fear. If you ever find yourself in a similar situation, remain calm, ask if you're being detained, and always document the encounter. Knowledge is your greatest defense. Imagine you're standing on a public sidewalk, quietly recording a scene that catches your interest. You're well within your legal rights, but suddenly, a police officer approaches, demanding your identification. When you refuse, because you haven't committed a crime, the situation escalates. This is the reality many Americans face when simply exercising their First and Fourth Amendment rights. In today's case, we witness another troubling example of law enforcement overreach, where officers attempt to coerce identification without legal justification. But how far will they push? Let's dive in.
Can't film the bank. Can't film the bank, boss man.
What law is that?
Well, first off, they don't know if you're casing the building. They don't want you to film them. They can say they don't want you to film them.
They can say it all they want to, but do I have to? And what law is that?
What law is it?
Yeah.
Keep filming them.
When you bring me a law, then
They don't want to film them. That's why they called us. You know what I'm saying?
Why is he filming the bank up?
He said for personal reasons.
You casing the joint down on that?
Yeah.
You never know what.
Yeah, you never know.
I mean you can't assume the worst though.
Well, that sounds kind of abnormal, right?
Right.
The bank
I mean,
for
what is
personal
not normal is not
reasons.
illegal.
You have an
so,
account here at the bank?
I don't want to give that information out.
Exactly. So,
Right.
So you saying for personal reasons, that don't make sense.
Makes sense to me.
Man.
That's just like if I was standing in front of your house filming.
I mean, you can do that.
You wouldn't feel funny just
No.
me standing out there?
No.
Come on now.
He'll call police.
He'll call the police.
No, I definitely won't do that.
You do this often? Are you a blogger?
Oh, what?
A blogger.
What is that?
Oh, well, you don't do it if you don't know.
No, I don't know what that is.
I thought you had like a little YouTube channel or something.
What's that?
YouTube?
Yeah.
You know what?
I'm sorry, I don't know what YouTube
Are
is.
you on the internet anywhere?
I'm on the internet, but I don't know what YouTube is.
Yeah, what kind of internet stuff do you do?
I do like stories. I gather information and I do journalist stories about the facilities I go to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So do you work for like a newspaper or something?
No, I'm free press. Yeah, correct.
Okay. You stay out here?
I don't want to answer that question.
Why is that? You shut down.
I mean, you're getting personal. You're getting real
that's not personal when we got called here to investigate something.
Oh,
right?
okay.
Just like you doing your investigation.
Right. Yeah, I'm doing
okay,
investigation.
So that's either yes or no. You live out here?
I don't want to answer that question.
That's yes or no, sir.
No, I don't want to answer that question. That's what it is.
Well,
thank you though.
They must did something wrong to you in the bank for you to come up here to film it.
No. Why would you assume that?
Because you said you usually film stuff that where you'd have been inside the facility.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm assuming it. Right? Did you not say that?
Yeah, I mean, you don't know what I'm filming.
Well, they don't feel.
Just told you to film your bank.
Right.
What you mean?
The facility, but you don't know exactly what I'm filming though.
Yeah, because you ain't telling us nothing.
Yeah, no, I don't want to do that.
So,
No.
right. So that
Right.
don't make sense.
All right.
Yeah.
Why is he blocking the sidewalk? He's impeding my way. I'm gonna go around here.
No, wait. We talking to you.
Am I being detained right now?
We're talking to you.
Am I being detained? If I'm not being detained, I'm free to
you've been you are being detained.
And what crime do you have? What reasonable, articulable? That's not reasonable, articulable suspicion of the crime, though.
Suspicious.
No, it's not. Filming.
You out here filming.
Filming itself.
bank
The Supreme Court already ruled filming itself cannot be deemed as suspicious.
Okay. Well,
So am I still detained?
Yes,
illegally?
Sir.
All right, guys, you heard it. She said I was detained illegally, so I'm going to start my timer. It's approximately 1:15.
Just know we're filming you too. Okay?
That's good. That's really good.
All right.
You're doing what I'm doing.
Yeah.
So is that suspicious then? No? What's different?
Ours being filmed, so you can't say we did anything
And
wrong.
that's exactly what mine's doing. Could I have your name and badge numbers, by the way?
I have a badge number.
Could I have your name and ID number?
Why everybody think you have a badge number?
Employee number, ID number, badge number.
You filming, right?
What's your name, please? Can you verbalize it as per your policy?
See it right here?
Can you verbalize it as per your policy, please?
You know our policies, but you don't know the policy.
Could I have your name and badge number, please?
I don't have a badge number.
Can I have your name and employee identification number, EIN number?
I don't have an EIN number.
You have to have some type of number. What's your rank? What's your rank? Are you the supervisor?
I don't have no stripes.
I mean, you have 5 stars though.
That don't mean I'm a supervisor.
Oh, it means something, because he doesn't have anything.
His might be hidden.
Nah.
I mean, years of service.
Yeah, that's years.
5 years of service. Okay.
No, that's not 5 years.
Oh, you said how many years of service?
You want to talk to us to ask us certain information, but you don't want to answer nothing.
Correct. What's your name? What's your name and badge number?
Brown 747.
Brown 747. So you do have badge number.
No, that's not his badge number.
So what is it? It's a
That's
what?
not his badge
I just
number.
gave it to you.
It's a employee identification number. That's how I ID you.
You got one.
Huh? Yeah, as long as you stay right here.
That's what I've been doing.
But they don't really want them videotaping them, but they ain't coming to do. But he has this, they don't want them on their property.
Could I have your name and badge number?
My name and badge number?
Yeah.
My name is Glover. My badge number is 682.
All right.
You don't have a badge number.
Yes, he does.
it's
So
a
what?
DSN.
So what do you
It's a
have? The
DSN.
DSN department
There you go.
serial number. Ooh.
All
Have a
right,
good day.
Mr. Good Citizen.
Yeah. Am I still being detained or anything?
No, I just said, all right, Mr. Good Citizen, you're free to leave.
Thank you. I appreciate
blessed
it.
day.
Yes, you too. Man.
Okay.
You
Now,
don't want
just
to.
don't come on their
You don't want to
property,
ID
okay?
yourself though.
You see
Everybody else did it. Come on, be professional. It's about
Why you
professionalism.
want to be professional
Be
with me?
professional,
What's
because you're
your
the
name?
public servant.
You
I'm
public
not.
too. You a servant.
I'm a private citizen,
you
ma'am.
told us you're
I'm
doing
a-
service for the community,
I'm a private
right?
citizen in
Okay.
public, but you're a
My
public
name is
servant.
Meriwether.
Nice to meet you.
Okay,
Yeah.
and nice to meet you,
A good
Mr.
citizen. Yes.
Oh,
Good citizen. Yes.
Okay, good citizen.
You can't reason with people like this.
I know, he don't want them doing that.
I'll see you guys on YouTube.
I thought you know
I
what
thought
YouTube
you
was.
know what YouTube was.
Oh, man, I lied. Here we go, guys.
Hello. How you doing, sir?
I'm great.
I mean, you got all the rights to record. I'm just. She wants to know why.
Let them know that.
All right. But
I
why-
already know.
Okay.
She don't.
All right. Why are you recording though?
I don't need to answer those type of questions.
I mean, it is a business. They would just like to know why. You're
I don't
recording.
need to answer those types of questions. You know that.
441. What's your story?
Explain to her what you just tried to tell me. I already know. She's getting education now.
You got your warrant?
Huh?
You said you had a warrant to be out?
Yeah, I got several.
Can I see it?
No.
What do you mean?
Why would I show you?
What? You're on the property doing what you're doing.
Well, first of all, I'm not on your property, dumbass.
All right, man. What's your name?
Yeah.
It's Puddingtane.
Your name is what?
Puddingtane.
Puddingtane?
Puddingtane. Ask me again, I'll tell you the same.
He's that guy that wants to record all this bullshit to go put it on.
Record
I
what?
wanna
Record
make sure
what?
I'm
Dummies like you? Yeah,
Okay, I
absolutely.
want to make sure I'm saying Puddingane.
That's not his real
What's
It's-
your name?
my name's Nunya. None your damn business.
Sir, I'm asking you your name.
I know what you're asking
Okay,
me.
but you're saying you got warrants out. So what's your name?
Oh well, I say a lot of things.
Why are you being so?
So what?
I'm asking you for your name.
And I'm not giving it to you.
Well, you have to.
I don't. What's the law says I have to? You tell me the law. Did I say I gotta identify myself? What law is that?
Go ahead.
What law is that? I carry him.
It's not him. He won't tell me his name. It's not him.
Listen, I don't have no warrants, okay? So chill out.
I'm cool.
I can tell you, I tell you a lot of things, dummy. I don't have to be truthful to you. You ain't nobody to me.
Listen.
Telephone tough ass like that. It's my property.
Yeah. Well, make me get off your property. When I get on it, then you can do something. When I get on your property, then you can do something. Right now, you can just kiss it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, well, I was saying the same thing a while ago when they won't hear.
I'm right here.
I know you are.
Sir, let's go, sir.
Yeah.
Just trust me. Just step back. Step back up. Step back up there. Step back up there, please. Thank you. How you doing, sir?
What's up, my man?
Sergeant Forbes.
I can't hear you.
I'm Sergeant Forbes, badge number 441.
Forbes?
Forbes. I just want to let you know, I watch your YouTube channel. You got a big YouTube channel and you got a big followers. So, only thing I'm going to ask you to do is...
You can't, listen, come on, don't give me the directives.
No, I'm not.
No, because you know how this is going to go.
I'm just
if
asking.
you tell me directives, you know how this is going to go. It's going to go real bad.
Yeah, so I'm asking you.
No, you don't ask me. Come on.
Please be careful,
dude.
Of these cars coming by through here.
Listen. If you see my channel, you know I'm a grown man. I've been walking the side of the road for years and years now. So why would you even say that, though?
Common courtesy.
But you shouldn't even say it. You know I know this.
So you don't want me to respect you?
No, you can respect me without giving me directives.
Okay, I apologize.
There you go.
I apologize.
Thank you.
All I would say is just be careful.
I'm always careful.
I
If they can't see my big ass, something wrong with them.
Man, come on, don't do yourself like that.
Come on, man.
Don't do yourself like that.
But I appreciate it though if you didn't explain to them.
And that's what I'm gonna go do.
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna go do.
Because they still people in the world that think we gotta have permission to record, man. I can't believe that.
I know
Even you.
I know.
Well, I know you have.
Yeah, and then you was begging me for my ID, talking about you have to give it to me, all this bull crap.
You're saying you have warrants?
I say a lot of things.
Okay, but you can't tell an officer you got warrants.
I can tell anybody I got warrants. If I'm not arrested, hang on, let me explain to her. If I'm not arrested or detained, I can lie to you all day. Is that not right?
Yeah, man.
As long as I'm not arrested or detained, I ain't got to tell you nothing
You're
truthful.
exactly right. You're exactly right.
She don't know that. She does
It's
now.
common courtesy. You know, we're just trying to show you that, but you're good.
No,
just keep doing your thing. We're gonna go talk to them.
Excuse me, can you back away from my vehicle because I have cleaned up on that computer. If you record something off the computer.
Oh, you're supposed to close it.
No,
that's
why the window.
That's a violation when you lean up.
Can you back that up some?
No, I don't need to.
Yes, you do.
No, I
In my
don't.
personal space first.
I'm not in your personal space. You walked
Yes,
up
you
to
are.
me.
Okay, because I'm walking up to my patrol vehicle because my computer is in there.
You drive it from the right side?
What? That means nothing. Okay? All I can do is
We can
ask,
record inside
okay,
your vehicle.
You cannot record inside.
Absolutely, we
Okay,
can.
I just took a lean tech class. That is not
do
privy
you
to.
know what-
Okay, do you know
do
that
you
that is
know
not
what
privy
Plainview
information for
doctrine
you?
is?
Exactly,
Do
so you
not
got to shut it.
understand Have you taken a lean tech class? You know
I know people who have.
Have you taken a
and
lean?
it's-
No,
and it's your
I
requirement
asked
to
you.
shut the laptop.
I asked you.
It's your
Did you?
requirement.
Okay, you want to say something? It's closed.
Cool, I can still
Well, there you go. So we didn't see nothing.
So here's the problem. They're saying that
He's
you are
all
okay.
upset we're recording inside his vehicle.
Yes,
through the
because
window.
you're not supposed to be recording in my vehicle.
Sure, I
at
can.
all.
Absolutely,
It's
we
not your
can.
vehicle, it's the people's vehicle.
Guess what? No.
No, you
Okay,
aren't
can I
gonna
speak
record
to
this
you,
vehicle.
please. Like a civil individual.
It's not
I don't understand
you
what
know
you
what
guys are
Plainview
recording
doctrine
for.
is?
You're not
Do
gonna
you
do it.
know what Plainview doctrine
I
is?
do.
Okay, but that means if I can see it, I can record it.
Not as government.
No,
issue.
yes.
Absolutely.
That's not a law.
Anyways,
Badge number, please.
55.
Thaning you.
I don't have to call you anything. Well,
And let's see, that's badge 24. And what's your name?
I'm the sergeant. No, what's your name?
Well, you're not getting my name.
You ain't getting my name.
Oh, okay. That's all right. I can find your name out through your badge number.
You could try.
Try? Really?
Yeah.
How much you want to bet I do?
I don't want to bet you anything. You're gonna lose your money.
What's your name, badge number?
You know, don't even.
Why don't you shut up?
You told me to shut up?
Yeah, I told you to shut up.
So now. Yeah, he told you to shut up.
Now what?
Now you're interfering with my investigation here. That's protection.
No, you're telling them not to say their name and badge number.
I already gave you my badge.
Oh, well, then I apologize. I'm talking
the
to
boss.
this guy.
I'm in charge here, so I can tell him what to do if I need to.
Oh, okay.
So you don't tell me to shut up.
I can tell you to shut up. It's called freedom of speech.
You're going to be pushing it. But when you're involving an incident, something that we're here on, we're doing our job, you aren't going to tell me to shut up.
Oh, but I can.
Okay.
It's called freedom of
You
speech.
keep pushing it, and you're going to go to jail.
You guys are real tough with us because you know that we actually are upstanding citizens. We are going to uphold the law. We are not going to bother you.
uphold the law,
Good.
right? We're trying.
Don't walk in Goodell.
We're trying to reason with you guys. What's that?
Don't walk on some other streets.
We're trying to reason with you guys.
That's how bad you are with your
Okay,
recording.
I will.
Okay, have an
I absolutely will. Wouldn't be the first time. So what do you guys? Why are you guys here? Can you just answer me the question?
Just recording in public.
Why?
Because we can.
Because you can. It's a hobby. It's interesting. Well, you seem to be irritating people. Well, that's not my problem. That's a their problem. That's a their problem. No. If you're disturbing the peace, I will take you to jail.
How is quietly recording disturbing the peace?
I don't have to define it with you. You can talk to the judge about it. Oh, is that right? Well, you got to have evidence of the fact, sir. You got to have evidence that I was disturbing the peace. You're disturbing the peace right now. Really?
How are we doing that?
With a camera? Really? Conversing with
Oh, we're causing a scene by standing on a public sidewalk. Really?
That's causing a scene. If we keep getting complaints, we're just going to take the jail.
For what? For standing on a public sidewalk?
For harassing.
How is quietly standing on a sidewalk harassing anybody?
I asked you, you don't want to tell me what you're doing. So I'd have to go by their word.
We're quietly recording on the sidewalk. We said nothing to nobody.
They said that you were putting this into the window so you could see inside of the
The
window.
windows aren't open. How could I put it in the
They
window?
said that they put it so you could reflect what's in there.
Oh,
You can't
okay.
do that.
Why not?
Because it's private property. You cannot.
I'm not in the property. I'm in
It doesn't
public.
matter. You couldn't come to my house and put this through and put this so you could see me inside of my house. It's the same principle.
Actually, I can. Anything I can see from public, I can record.
No, you cannot.
Unless it's a bathroom or
you cannot
something
record
like that.
into somebody's private residence or business. You cannot do that. We cannot. Come to my house and try
I think
it.
you need
Come
some
to
more
my house
training.
and try it.
What's the address?
Come to my house. I'm not giving you my address on there, but you shut that off. Me and you will talk, big guy. Because you're a lot tougher with this thing out.
Oh, okay.
You are.
So, just like he's trying to,
constitutionally protected activity cannot be construed as harassment.
It's not constitutional.
Yes, recording in public as
people's faces? No.
I didn't get nobody's face.
Right,
Do you
they
have
said
proof?
you did.
Do you have proof I got
You're
somebody's
gonna have
face?
to just show it to the judge.
I don't have to prove my guilt. I don't have. You're going to arrest me and it'll be an unlawful arrest. And then you're opening yourself up to a lawsuit, losing your qualified immunity, costing the city of River Rouge a huge amount of money for an unlawful arrest.
No, not when you're.
Yes, sir.
Not when
Because
you're
actually it has to
arrested.
happen in your presence in order for you to arrest me for it.
I gotta say,
It has to happen in your presence. But you're still taking me, so you don't care about the law?
Hey, boss man.
Yeah.
Last night said which we just talked about before he came out. And I said, you said it yourself. You said most cops are thugs with guns.
Yes.
But guess what? You in the wrong state of being cops are thugs with guns.
Well, you know, just like he's generalizing us as a bad person because I have.
I'm trying to talk to you.
All
This
cops
is smart
look alike.
comments.
They all have guns.
Yeah,
Most of them
yeah,
like
smart
to
comments.
yeah, I can be smart.
That's it.
I can be a smart ass.
And you
That's
just can't-
constitutionally
and
protected
you just
too
can't
under
be a
the First
normal
Amendment.
human being and just be nice.
I was.
No, you were not.
I most certainly was.
No, you weren't.
I most certainly was. I explained to you what we was doing. You tried to say I was harassing. I was
that's
not.
what they told you.
I don't care what they told you. People lie
I
all
don't
the
care
time.
what you tell me.
People lie all the
care
time.
what you tell
But I
me.
have evidence to prove that I wasn't. So maybe you should be more
Okay, let me
concerned
see.
about my evidence.
Yeah, let me see.
Rewind it?
I want you to rewind it and show me.
Hey, record me, so I'm gonna stop my
Yep.
video so I can show you.
Yeah, record it.
Here we go.
I just want to know your reason for being out here. You don't have
To
to.
record him.
Just recording in public.
You just want to annoy everybody?
I'm not annoying anybody.
You're annoying the shit out of me.
That's not my fault. They think my camera's annoying. I didn't say nothing to none of them. Nothing.
Okay.
All we're out here is doing is recording, but they think we can't because we can't.
But why?
Why do people?
There's a lot of things
Why
you
do
can
why
do.
do
Why
people
do you
open
do it?
carry guns? Because they can. Why do I carry a camera? Because I can.
Well, why are you here at this location? I don't get it.
Because I was driving by and the nice bright green lights caught my attention. I'm like, hey, let's stop there and check this place out. I'm not being a smartass. I'm being dead serious, bro.
All right.
I'm being dead serious. That's what I do. That's what we do. We drive around. If we see something, hey, that looks like
You
we
guys
could
get paid
record
to
there.
do this?
Sure. Yep.
Who pays you?
I sell video and photos
Nobody
online.
buys this.
Sure they do.
No.
You'd be surprised who buys it.
I wouldn't buy anything.
YouTube pays me very
I
well.
wouldn't buy anything from you.
YouTube, well, I'm not asking you to buy
No, I
anything.
wouldn't buy anything.
You say I have a smart mouth, but you constantly have smart remarks coming out of your mouth. What, you think you're entitled to have a smart mouth and I'm not?
After you start, yes.
No, that's not how it works. We can both be smart with each other, right? 100%, you're right. Because when you hired on to be a cop, you said you would be professional and courteous at all times. I'm not putting my finger in your face. It's right here.
Don't put it in my face.
It's not in your face. It's not in your face. This is not in your face. You guys got your body cameras on?
Yep.
Good deal. This is not in your face. I'm in my personal space. It's not in your face. Is pointing illegal? Is pointing illegal? All right, I'm gonna back up so I can put some distance. And you know what? I'm not gonna show you nothing no more. No, I'm not. I'm not required to show you anything. So, then put it away.
This case serves as yet another reminder of why it's critical to know your rights. Law enforcement officers may try to intimidate you into compliance, but understanding the law is your best defense. The reality is simple: unless you are suspected of a crime, you are under no obligation to identify yourself. The First and Fourth Amendments exist to protect you, and standing firm in your rights is not an act of defiance, it's an act of citizenship. If we don't challenge these unlawful demands, we risk losing the freedoms that define America. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and always record. Imagine sitting in a parking lot, minding your own business, when suddenly, an officer demands your ID without any reason. No crime, no suspicion, just pure intimidation. This is the reality many Americans face when officers overstep their authority, using vague claims of suspicious behavior to justify their demands. But is suspicion alone enough to require identification? In today's video, we witness a citizen standing firm against an unlawful request and refusing to be bullied into surrendering their rights. Stay tuned, because this is a lesson in knowing and protecting your freedoms.
You suspect me of no crime, right? You suspect me of no crime, right? Correct? Correct? Okay, goodbye. Have a good day, sir. Bye-bye. You can... What crime do you suspect me of committing? What crime do you suspect me of committing? But you just made YouTube history. You are stupid. You are so stupid. So you have no business with me. Move on.
I'm just asking if you had a knife.
You don't have any business with me. You don't have any business with me. You don't have any business with me. You don't suspect me of a crime. You're law enforcement.
Okay.
Which means that you must have a crime in order to deal with me. This is not consensual. I don't want to talk to you. If you have any questions for me, direct them to my lawyer.
Who's your lawyer?
If you have any questions for me, direct them to my lawyer.
I can't direct them to your lawyer if I don't know your lawyer.
Oh, imagine that. Don't you love how this works? This is America.
That's okay.
In America, a person is considered innocent in all of his actions, right?
Yeah.
And in America, the police have no business harassing the public absent a crime. Yes, this is considered harassment absent a crime. So yeah, let's keep going with it.
I got called about you, but
I don't give a you got called about. I didn't call you. You don't suspect me of a crime, and you're law enforcement.
They did.
Who did?
The person that called.
And that was who? Not management, right?
How do you know it's not management?
Because I know the management, because I have business here.
Okay.
I'm here every day. So if somebody called on me, it was not management.
Okay.
So, again, what are you doing on this private property harassing people for no crime?
I'm allowed to come on here and check.
You're allowed to come on and check when you suspect crimes. You are not allowed to harass the public and violate their Fourth Amendment right to be free from unnecessary, undue harassment. Illegal searches, seizures, etc. Yep, you sure can. I'm going to walk over and make sure I get your ID on your vehicle. Okay. You have nothing to fear from me. I would never cause you guys harm, just so you know. You have nothing to fear from me. But I am going to walk over here and ID your vehicle and, you know, all that jazz.
Yeah, go ahead. You can grab my phone. You want my name, badge number?
Yes, sir.
It's Officer Clark, number 47.
Number 47. Good job. Good job. Appreciate you. Lehigh is generally pretty good about that.
Thank you.
Yeah, it'd be better if we'd get rid of all your blue line bullshit, gang members.
I don't have any blue line bullshit.
That's good. I'm checking. I'm checking because we don't believe in that gang shit. You have anything illegal in your car? Do you have any drugs or weapons that are unregistered?
I hope not.
Can I check?
Nope.
Can I get you to sit on the curb over here?
Nope.
No? No? Can I get you to keep your hands away from your gun, please? Get your hands out of your pocket for my safety. For my safety, I'd like you to keep your hands out of your pocket.
Is that plate on there yours?
I'm not answering. I already told you any questions you have for me, you need to direct to my attorney.
If you're a Jeff.
Any questions you have for me, you need to direct to my attorney.
Okay. Well, if you don't need anything else, I'm going to take off.
I appreciate that, Clark. I appreciate it. You have lots better things to do besides harassing the public for sitting in a private parking lot, doing nothing but being a free American. You have a job to do, and it is not to investigate suspicious. What is suspicious? Is that a misdemeanor or a felony? Right? That's so stupid. That's an that's a bullshit. Oh, you're suspicious. What is suspicious about a car parked in a parking lot?
That's not what...
Oh, dipshit.
They said they thought you were tweaking.
Oh, tweaking. Are you going to give me a drug test?
Want me to?
Do you got one? I'll pee in a cup for you, just because I like you. I like your smile, bud. You're good. They suspected me of tweaking for sitting in a parking lot, which I do every day at the same time.
It's probably somebody new then.
I know it was. It was not somebody who belongs to the hotel. Oh, wait, is this your girlfriend over here? Oh, man, I didn't realize you had your girlfriend in the car. What policy is that says you can have your girlfriend in the car? Look at that shit. Caught him with his girlfriend, now he wants to run.
How you doing, guys?
Good, how are you?
All right. It's hot. Coming here to cool off a little bit and do a little filming.
Awesome.
Doing good today? How you pronounce your name, sir?
Stanton.
Stanton? Okay. I'm bad with names, man.
What's your name?
Good Citizen.
Good Citizen?
Yeah, you can just call me Good Citizen.
Okay,
Appreciate
so it's
it.
like that.
Nah. I mean,
what are you guys doing?
Just whatever we can see in the public areas. That's all. Yeah, we're not here to harm nobody or
Well, I didn't think
got
you
no,
are.
got no ill will,
It's just peculiar.
no ill intent.
Nobody's ever done this before.
Well, yep, that's what we do, man. We go around to different counties and film government officials. You know, a lot of people from out of state don't know what it looks like down here in the country. What a police station, nice police station.
Sure.
You know, I mean, they California, New York, and all them. You know, so a lot of people interested in such stuff.
Cool.
Yeah.
You guys have ID?
Yeah, I do, but you're not getting it.
No? Why not?
I ain't committed no crime.
Well, you are acting suspicious.
No crime.
You are acting suspicious.
Suspicion is not a crime, man.
Well, it warrants me to ask you who you are.
Right. I'm a good citizen, man. That's all you get. We ain't broke no laws or nothing. We're not here to harm nobody.
You haven't.
Okay.
But we don't know who
What-
you are.
what-
It doesn't, just because you're a nice person, other people that aren't nice will be coming in and doing the same thing. That's why we're here asking.
Well, I mean,
What is the statute that requires us to give an ID?
What's that?
What is the statute that requires us to give an ID?
Well, if you're acting suspicious, I have.
Suspicious.
What's suspicious? I'm allowed to do.
There should be a statute that
I'm sure
shows that.
there is. I don't need to discuss that.
well, this cannot be deemed suspicious. Just taking pictures is not suspicious.
Well,
To you, it might be,
if
but
it happens every day, it wouldn't be suspicious, but this you're the first person ever committed.
it probably won't be the last time, though. You know what I mean? I'm sure, and I hope whoever else comes in here to film your nice building don't get harassed. You know what I mean? That's all.
Are we harassing you?
You asked for ID and it had no warranted reason why.
Well, I do have a reason why I asked you.
But that's fine. But I declined. How about that?
Yeah, well, when you're acting suspicious, I don't.
You can't deem this suspicious, man. I mean, this is a legal protected activity against the Constitution of the United States. Did you swear an oath?
It's different than the ordinary.
Did you swear an oath though, right?
It's different than the ordinary, and that makes it suspicious.
Okay, well, suspicious to you ain't suspicious to me. So, yeah, you get what I'm saying? I don't think I'm acting suspicious.
How long do you guys think you'll be here?
We probably done. You know, we was just making our rounds. We was headed back out the door.
Awesome.
You know, I mean, we're not here to harm nobody.
Is there anything else you'd like to ask questions about in the lobby or anything else?
We just go around just taking pictures of stuff. I mean, we went here and it's nice stuff in there.
I know, I'm asking.
Very nice.
I know a lot about this stuff.
Yeah, I was on the fire department way back when, probably. Yeah, where I live.
Where's that?
Down the road.
Which road?
You fishing now, right?
I'm just asking questions.
Well, it was on the fire department. Does it matter where? Really, it don't. It don't matter. See, I mean, I can tell right now that you'll go out here and ID any blowjo off the side of the street, and you got no reason to do that. You that kind of person, ain't you?
Oh,
yes. The answer is yes.
I'm a professional police officer.
Professional police officers don't warrant asking ID for somebody that ain't doing nothing wrong. It's not breaking any laws.
Have I demanded ID from you?
No, because you know you can't. Okay? The only way you can get my ID is you lock me up right now. I mean, if that's what you want to do, go for it, buddy.
I mean, you're trying to goad me into doing it.
I'm not trying to, no sir. You wanted my ID. I'm telling you, you're not getting it. And now you want to know where I went on the fire department. Come on, man.
Relax, man. Take it easy.
You relax. I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm cool, calm, collected.
I offered you an interview on
Yeah, I know you keep doing that, but we don't need it. We didn't come in here to get interviews. So we came in here to be left alone is what we came in here for.
Okay.
Yeah? You good with that?
Absolutely.
We're going to be on our merry way then. How about that?
That sounds good. I hope you guys have a great day.
I'm having a great day already. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. All right.
This encounter serves as a powerful reminder. You do not have to provide identification unless you are suspected of committing a crime. Suspicion alone is not a crime. Officers may attempt to intimidate, but knowing your rights is your strongest defense. The Constitution protects you from unlawful searches and demands, and standing firm in the face of intimidation is the key to ensuring those rights are upheld. If you ever find yourself in a similar situation, stay calm, assert your rights, and never let fear dictate your actions. Knowledge is power, and today, you've gained a little more of it.